day to everyone present here. I am Rajsati from grade 1 speak about unity and diversity in Tamil Nadu. Before that, what is unity and diversity? Unity and diversity signifies that unity around individuals who have certain differences between them. These differences can be in culture, language, ideology, ethnicity, etc. Now let me tell you about the rich heritage of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is in the southernmost tip of India. It was formerly known as Madras state. It is the 10th largest state in India in terms of area. Prior to British period, different emperors ruled the land. Chera, Chola, Pandyans, and the most famous emperors who worked hard to shape their regions, cuisine, culture, and architecture. Tamil Nadu has many historical monuments and temples built across the state like Brahadishwara Temple in Tanjavur, Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai, Seashore Temple in Mamlapuram, and many more. Tamil is the official language spoken in the state. It is one of the oldest classical languages. It contains many literatures and poems. Most popular among them is Tirukkural. This is the greatest book ever written on ethics and morality. Bharatanatyam is the traditional dance of Tamil Nadu. And other folk dances like Kuaratam, Karatam, Mailatam are very popular in Tamil Nadu. Pongal is Tamil Nadu's harvest festival to thank the sun god for agricultural abundance and bounty. Around 70% of the state's population involved in agricultural activities. Major crops that are highly cultivated in different regions of Tamil Nadu are rice, jowar, ragi, bajra, cotton, sugarcane, coconut, banana, turmeric, etc. Major rivers that flow in Tamil Nadu are Kaveri, Bhavani, Noyal, Pala, Vaigai. Most of the rivers of Tamil Nadu originate from the Western Ghats and flow towards the eastern draining the Bay of Bengal. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India having both Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats mountain ranges. They meet at Nilgiri Hills. In Tamil Nadu, people prefer to eat with their hands. They also believe that serving food to others is a short waste to humanity. Traditionally, meals were served on banana leaves. Dishes like idli, vada, dosa, sambar are famous in Tamil Nadu. There's a famous saying in Tamil, Vandare Varavaikum Tamil Nadu, which means people from different parts of the world can come to Tamil Nadu and they can live happily and safely here. I would like to conclude my speech with a famous song of Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar. செந்தமிழ்நாடன் போதில்லை தேன் வந்து பாய் காதில்லை எங்கள் தந்தைய நாடு பேச்சிலே ஒரு சக்தி பிறக்குது மூச்சினிலே